Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is simple Murukku or Chakli, a South Indian deep fried snack made with rice flour and chickpea flour. These are crispy and delicious. Murukku are also known as Jantikalu, chakram or Chakli. Let's get started with the process. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Take a bowl, add 200 grams of rice flour, 100 grams of chickpea flour or besan, 1/4 teaspoon salt, a pinch of soda, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds for good taste, 1 tablespoon carom seeds for digestion, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon oil and combine all together. Add required quantity of water and prepare a soft dough. To prepare the Murukku, I am using this type of pressing device. Grease it with oil and add the dough. There are various designs in pressing device. Use any one you like. Once the oil is hot, add the dough in circular pattern all over. Fry them in medium heat, otherwise they will be burnt. If you fry in low flame, the Murukku will absorb the oil. So fry them in the medium heat. It just takes 15 minutes to prepare this yummy snack. Now let's make another batch too. Delicious snack Murukku is ready now. Once they are cooled down, store them in an airtight container. It stays good for 15 days. So what are you waiting for? Make yourselves this snack and enjoy with your family in these winter mornings. See you guys soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Don't forget to hit the like button under the video.